Congratulations to your new Aillio Bullet coffee roaster. The Aillio Bullet is one of the best and most innovative coffee roasting machines in the market, and even more so really one of the most exciting coffee equipments that is around. Coffee roasting is such an exciting topic, and you will deep dive into the variety of green coffees, how they are different in taste profiles, and then also into how you can bring the best out of these green coffees by the roasting process. Coffee roasting on the Aillio Bullet in general isn't difficult, but there are just some things to know to get the best out of this machine. And maybe you are new to coffee roasting in general. This is why I made this online course for you, where I put in more than 4 hours of specific Aillio Bullet content. And I put in here all the experience that I have myself by working with this machine, but also from thousands of Aillio Bullet users. The course is set up for both machines, no matter if you have the R1 or the R2 or R2 Pro machine. Everything is covered, and it's structured in a way that you get all the information that you need to know to work with this machine. At the beginning, I'm going to show you and explain you the machine in detail, also the display, the different sensors. Then we are going to set it up together so that you know how to set it up, but then also do a seasoning of the drum. We are going to do the first roast together. I'm going to explain you the software RoasTime, but also the Roast World community in detail. Then I'm going to give you some specific recommendations and hacks to get the best out of this machine. At the end, then I'm going to show you how to maintain the machine the best, to have then really a consistency in the roasting and that is long during. And I'm also going to show you how you can set up a system to get the smoke out of your room. At the end, I'm going to give you a general introduction into coffee roasting. And I'm always doing the link to the Aillio Bullet so that you find the best settings and the best profiles for the coffee that you like. So no matter if you're new to coffee roasting or an experienced coffee roaster, in this more than 4 hours of content, you will surely find a lot of information that is relevant for you. And if you want to know more about the online course, then click on the link below.